Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what a UKVI Share Code is and walking you through the step-by-step process to generate it. This is super useful if you're applying for a job, renting a house, or even starting at a university here in the UK. So, let's get right into it. Before we dive into the actual steps, let me explain what a share code is and why it's important. A UKVI Share Code is a secure and temporary code that lets someone, like your employer, landlord, or university, check your immigration status online. It's part of the UK government's View and Prove Your Immigration Status service. The great thing is, it's super easy to use. Once you generate a code, it's valid for 90 days, so you don't need to worry about it expiring quickly. You can generate as many codes as you need, and each code is valid until it expires. But if you create a new one, the old one still works, as long as it hasn't expired. Each code is also tied to a specific purpose. For example, you can choose a code to prove your right to work, your right to rent, or for some other purpose. The best part? It's fast and secure. Instead of handing over physical documents like your passport or biometric residence permit, BRP, the share code allows you to quickly prove your immigration status online. Alright, now that you know what a share code is and why it's useful, let's get into the steps on how to generate it. First, open Google and search for UK Share Code. The very first result should be the option to prove your right to work to an employer by UKVI. Click on that link to continue. On the next page, you will see the section titled Get a Share Code to Prove Your Right to Work in the UK. Scroll down and you'll find an option to Start Now. Go ahead and click on Start Now to begin the process of generating your share code. On this page, you'll need to choose your immigration status. To generate a share code, having a UKVI account is mandatory. Most people will already have one if they applied for a visa online, use the ID Check app, or got an e-visa, so I'm selecting I have a UK Visas and Immigration account. Now you'll be asked to sign in. Select the identity document you used when you created your UKVI account. This could be your passport, national identity card, or biometric residence card or permit. If you've linked multiple identity documents to your UKVI account, like both your passport and BRP, then you can select any one of them and continue. Just make sure you're using the most up-to-date document if you've changed anything recently. I'll go ahead and select passport and click continue. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your passport number. Just type in the number exactly as it appears on your passport. Once you've entered the number, click continue to move on. Next, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth. Make sure to enter it exactly as it appears on your passport, in the format day, month, year. Once you've filled in your date of birth, click continue to move forward. Now, you'll be asked how you want to receive your security code. You'll have two options. Send a text message to your registered phone number. Send an email to your registered email address. Choose the option that works best for you and click continue to receive the code. Next, check your phone or email for a 6-digit security code that's been sent. You need to enter this code within 10 minutes or it will expire. If you don't receive it right away, make sure your phone number or the email is correct and give it a few minutes to arrive. Once you have the code, enter it in the security code field and click continue to proceed. On this page, you'll see your right to work details, including your photograph and the validity period of your right to work. It will also show any conditions, like the job you're sponsored for, and whether you can do voluntary or part-time work. To share this information with an employer, you will need to create a right to work share code. Click on the option to proceed. Now, on the next page, you'll see your share code along with its expiry date. To share your right to work details, just provide the share code and your date of birth to the employer or organization requesting it. They can use this information to verify your right to work by visiting this URL. You can also send this information via email or print the page. Once done, click Finish to exit the service. And that's it. You've successfully generated your UKVI share code to prove your right to work in the UK. Remember, you can share the code with your employer or anyone else who needs to verify your right to work, and it's valid until the expiry date shown. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes the process easier for you.